Hi everyone. I want to show you an interesting little garden that I pass by quite often, and because it's blooming today, I would include some of this as the bloom of the day. This is Creeping Thyme, and it's blooming today. Look at this beautiful, look how nice and flat it grows on the ground. It's a challenge to grow these plants, keeping the area weed free. That's the only thing that I would say about Creeping Thyme. But it makes a beautiful ground cover. It also has a minty scent, a minty scent, which is nice. If you step on it, if you put it between stones and you step on it, you get a release of those oils. Have a beautiful day.